how to use CapCut in your browser. So first you want to open up your browser and head to CapCut.com, and then you want to click on Try Online button. And this will require you to sign into your account or create a new one if you don't have one already. You can basically use continue with TikTok, Facebook, or Gmail to sign up quickly or sign in quickly. I'm going to use my Gmail. And once you're signed in, you should see this interface on your browser. You want to start by clicking on Create New and then click on Blank Canvas. And this should open up a new tab editor where you can start importing your video. You can either import from phone or upload from your device, or you can use Google Drive, Dropbox, or shared upload link. And once you get your videos in your media tab, you can drag them in the timeline and start working on your edits. So you can basically cut videos. You can move your cursor here and cut the video or replace parts and add audio and everything you will do on the CapCut application pretty much. So you can add effects and transitions if you want to. For example, I can add blur here to blur this part of the video, and I can customize my blur by going to the basic tab here and adjusting the blur intensity as well as transitions between parts of the video. So for example, if you add that transition here, you can see it's happening in the video, and you'd basically be able to do pretty much everything you can do in the CapCut application on your computer. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.